What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna, and in this video we are installing hair from Unice. Our lovely friend sent us a wig to review. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. This is a really cute highlight headband wig. I believe it's 22 or 24 inches, I'm not sure, but as you can see, it has the velcro straps at each end, and it comes with clips on the inside that attach to your head to keep it secure. It's a clip at the top, two clips at the back, and a clip at the side, and this is in a body wave pattern, and it's very, very cute, and I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So I personally love headband wigs because they're so simple to install. I already have my hair braided there in these cornrows that I did. I did what I could. I am not the best braider, we know this, but I just braided my hair going straight back. You don't have to. You can do a little ponytail if you want to. I just like keeping my hair in braids so I can oil my scalp. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and pin my braids up with some bobby pins. And then I'm going to take my little edge brush and separate the hair that I want to leave out for my edges for my hair. And then I'm going to take my edge booster to slick back the hair behind my hairline behind my edges so that it's smooth and it has like this sleek appearance, because when you put the headband on you can kind of see like the beginning part of your hair just a little bit. So I just want to make sure my hair blends as best as possible. And then I realized that I was doing life the hard way and not the easy way, and I went and got my bigger brush to slick my hair back because that just makes more sense. So after slicking that back, I'm just going to go ahead and put on my wig cap. The color of your wig cap doesn't matter because you're not going to be seeing it underneath this wig, so I'm going to be using a black wig cap, and I'm going to pull it back just a little bit so it's not like all the way to the front of my head, because you'll be able to see it if it's like sticking out underneath the wig. And then after that, you're ready to slap the wig on. Honestly, that's all the preparation you need. So right now what I'm doing is adjusting the combs to make sure they fit. I'm sliding the comb through the front, the sides, and I'm going to slide it through the back. If you want extra security, you can add like anchor braids to your hair, but honestly, I didn't feel like doing all that. Like, because honestly, it's really secure without the braids. Like for me personally, I didn't experience any sliding or a lot of sliding, as long as you have like the Velcro secured in the back. But yeah, so I'm just pinning my hair up after I put in the clips, and now I'm just going to secure that Velcro. If you make it super tight, it will give you a headache. So just make it, you know, as comfortable as possible. And as you can see, there's like a little flap that sticks up a little bit because my head is smaller, so I have like excess flap. That gets annoying, so I just decided to take a bobby pin and hold it down. Next, I'm going to take my edge booster and style my edges. I know some people like to style their edges before they put the wig on, but for me, it's a personal preference to do it after. And that's only because like I may have to like shift the wig around if it doesn't fit correctly or readjust it, and I don't want to mess up my edges in the process. So once I have my edges in like the perfect, not my edges, once I have my headband on correctly, then I'll go ahead and do my edges and style my hair. Now it's time for the fun part, which is styling the hair. So I was debating whether I should leave the hair curly or flat iron it, and I almost flat ironed it, but these curls were giving life. Like they were so thick and like fluffy and bouncy. I just did not want to ruin the curl pattern just yet. So I decided to keep it and style the hair like this. So next I'm just going to show you a few different ways I style my headband wigs. And the curls in this hair just made the styles like a lot cuter. Okay, so the literal point of a headband wig is to be able to wear headbands with your wig and to have versatility with the wig. So what I'm going to do is put on this cute headscarf that I had that I was wearing at the beginning of the video and wrap it around the little black part there. I think it helps like cover up some of that. I have a big forehead, y'all, and I have a receding hairline. So the scarf actually helps like close up that gap between my forehead and the wig. You know, whatever my edges couldn't handle, this little scarf right here is going to close up that gap and make it look cuter. And plus the scarf just adds a little something extra to the style. So as you can see here, this is the hair in its natural state with the headband. This look is so cute. It's simple, and you literally have to do nothing but just like brush your hair, put on a headband, and go. So definitely love this. I like to put it towards the side, just to kind of give it, I don't know, a little something something instead of just like having it go straight back. I mean, you can if you want to, but I don't know. I just think wearing it to the side in this case was cuter. But next, I'm going to show you another style, which is wearing it half up, half down. Something I love about these like headband wigs is you literally can pull your hair in any direction, do any style. You can wear it up, you can wear it down, half up, half down, any of that, because the headband covers the whole perimeter of your head, so you don't see any tracks or anything like that, and it just looks like you decided to wear a headband. Also, the good thing about headscarves that I love is you can literally wear them in 50 different styles. So if I don't want to wear it like how it was previously, I'm gonna like now put it in a bow, which I thought was so cute. Especially like for summertime, you have a cute like little fun bow. You can wrap it around your head. You can do so many different things with it. Like if you don't like the bow, if that's not you, you don't have to do that. Well, I decided that the bow wasn't for me, so I wound up changing it. But anyways, my next hairstyle and the last hairstyle that I'm going to show you is just a simple ponytail, but it's like a really high ponytail. And for me, I love a good high ponytail. That is like my favorite thing. That has been my thing since like high school, like a high ponytail. But I love that this is like a high ponytail that's curly, and so it just gives it that like fun summery look. It almost kind of reminds me of like a curly bob, but it's like a ponytail. I don't know. This is so cute. Honestly, this is how I wound up wearing my hair the most when I wore this wig, is in this ponytail. And it's just simple, and I don't know, it's cute. It's giving I'm ready to work out. It's giving, I'm not trying to try too hard, but I'm still cute anyways because I'm that girl. Don't mess with me. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. But all in all, I give this wig a 10 out of 10 for headband wigs. This is probably my new favorite headband wig, honestly, truly. The color, the hair pattern, the texture, everything is giving me life. Of course, I didn't have any issues with like tangling or shedding or anything like that. Unice is a really good brand to get purchased from. When it comes to hair, because I've always gotten good quality from them personally, and I have purchased from them in the past. Yeah, this is probably like my new go-to wig. This style is just so simple. It literally only takes 5 minutes. So yeah, like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. If you have any questions about anything, leave it in the comments section. I'll make sure to get back to you. It may not be that fast, sorry, but I'll get back to you when I can. And yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Adios till next time.